What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie coming at you live from my kitchen / living room. Today I'm going to talk to you about something really cool that I've discovered using AI to help you in your garden, and specifically to identify plants or what they call volunteers that just pop up in your compost bed, and then you can probably grow them like a normal body plant. I had a tomato plant that I identified that just popped up, because we compost our vegetables and leftover stuff that we eat, and we compost everything. So it snuck into my compost and it popped up as a seedling. Here's a picture of a cucumber and a tomato volunteer that I just recently found, which is really cool. And I've also used it to identify insects. When I pulled off the plastic covering this morning, because I was protecting my seedlings from torrential downpours, there was a big clump of insects on a piece of wood, and I was like, ugh, what is that? I hope that's not termites. I took a picture of it, put it into Google, and boom, it identified it as bark lice, which are harmful. Here's a photo. They're not harmful, they're unharmful. They don't harm anything. They're actually beneficial insects that eat fungus off of wood. All right, hope you enjoy my material. If you do, go to the next video or hit the subscribe button. Peace out.